Welcome in the Enterprise Automation with Python course. My name is Tomasz Lelek and I am a software engineer programming mostly in Java and Scala. I am a fan of microservices architecture and functional programming. In my day-to-day job, I am creating microservices for which deployment is automated using enterprise automation tools. So let's see what we will learn throughout this course. Firstly, we will be doing an introduction to the tools used for enterprise automation. We will install Python that will be used for automating every task throughout this course. Next, we will see how to automate network processes using Python and one of the Python libraries that allow us to achieve that. In the first section, we'll see how to do an administration tasks with Python Fabric. Fabric is a tool written entirely in Python and we will be interacting with that tool using its Python API. Next, we'll see how to perform automation of database management. We'll be using MySQL as an example and we'll be doing database management using Python. Next, we'll see how to manage users. Often, when we have a lot of microservices, we also have a lot of users and we need to manage them somehow. In the sixth section, we'll be looking at the process management and how to monitor infrastructure using Python and its tools. In the last section, we'll see how to automate cloud infrastructure. We'll be automating AWS cloud using Python. There are a couple of prerequisites to this course. First one is understanding of Python language. Also, we will need to have Python 3 installed and PyCharm IDE that will be used for editing Python programs. Also, you need to have some kind of modern laptop or desktop to run your programs on it. And target audience of this course, that is if you are a system administrator or DevOps engineer at the enterprise who wants to facilitate the work through Python and are looking for an alternative from major automation frameworks like Puppet and Chef, then this course is for you. Some basic programming knowledge with Python scripting would be necessary. This course will help you to think and make your daily work easy with the use cases on multiple areas like network, database and cloud.